Okay, welcome back. In this short module, we're going to go over hashtags. Let's define hashtags. People use hashtag symbol, which is just the pound sign, before a relevant word or phrase with no spaces in their tweets. Now remember, tweets are just messages, to categorize those tweets and help them show more easily in a Twitter search. Clicking on a hashtagged word in any message shows you all the other tweets marked with that keyword. So this is just a way of organizing all those millions of messages. It's a good way for you to have your message found and you found, and it's also a good way to find other things on that same topic. Let's switch over to Twitter and look at it live. Okay, so now we're in Twitter, and I'm going to look at this message here. This is a tweet with a picture, and we're going to see this hashtag camping. I can click on that. It's going to show me not only any accounts, right? So this person has hashtag camping somewhere in their bio. It's going to also show me all tweets that have hashtag camping. It's pretty simple, but it's also very powerful. So if you're researching a topic, if you're going to buy something, if you want to know about a conference, a product, there's funny tweets. There's funny hashtags, but there's also serious hashtags. So like this one here, motorcycles, right? So you can it's a fast way to go through millions of tweets and start finding users who like the same topics you do. So what I want you to do is, you've got your profile and you've picked your hobby and passion. Start searching up here in the top right for different hashtags. All you have to do is click the pound sign and then put your word, and let's see what comes up. If you like those individuals, right? Like if I really liked these people, I could follow them. I could just actually click on them and add this plus sign, and I would be following them. Okay, so why don't you try that, and we'll get ready for the next module.